Welcome back everyone. In this tutorial I'll show you how to get your TikTok stream key. Just follow these steps to retrieve your stream key from TikTok. First thing first, open the TikTok app on your device or visit TikTok Live Studio in your browser. Click Go Live in the top right corner. Select the stream category like gaming, entertainment, etc. and enter a title for your live session. Just click save and go live. Just don't worry, you don't actually have to go live. Scroll down to find server URL and stream key. All you have to do now is copy your stream key and optionally the server URL for use in OBS or other streaming software. Just note that you must simulate going live to access the stream key. TikTok doesn't show it by default until you reach this step. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.